Hi everyone. So here we have a data sheet, and in this data sheet, in this product column, I need to apply a drop down list. So how to do it? Select this range first in which you need to apply the drop down list. Then go to data. From there, move to data validation. Here, change this any value to list. Now here it indicates the source, which means the list you want in drop down should be given here. So that list can be on the same sheet or on different sheet as I have it here. So you have to click on this button. Then you have to go to the product list and you have to select the number of products. That's the list you want in drop down. Then you have to select OK. And here you get an arrow indicating the complete list available here. Let us say the first product here is car body spares. The second client asked for dashboard accessories. Third client asked for engine assemblies, and likewise. Hope it helps. Thank you everyone.